Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with two different hauls. So let's just get started. The first one is Stamps Alive and then Studio Calico. So here we go. Now, so this is a folded die kit. You can use just the die or you can make it into a card. And right now I'm actually growing these big sunflowers, so I'm super excited to find this. In Texas, once the heat hits, you have lots of sunflowers. Matter of fact, on the way to church today, I was looking at them on the side of the road. Of course, those aren't the big sunflowers, they're just the small ones that are about, like that. The big ones, they can be whatever size depending on which size you plant. And I've got two different sizes of sunflowers, so I hope I get some sunflower seeds. We'll see. But and your birds can clean them out too before you get to them. But I just thought that was a really fun option. I also picked up, this is a Dragon and Flowers, a 2-card size set. And so you get here's the card, here's the what is that called? Moroccan type style print. So you print die cut that as well. But within here are all the dragonflies, and I literally have, I'm trying to see what that says. It says thinking of you. Super neat. It has flowers, has dragonflies. I literally the other day was out getting into my car and a dragonfly lighted on one of the plants right beside where I was standing. I was able to, I don't remember if, I think I got a picture. I'll have to go back and double check. I haven't gone back and looked. But just really amazed at how long it stayed there. It was so beautiful. And then last but not least, I didn't get much. I just got a little bit. This is the Stamps of Life 5x7 shadow card die. So if you can see, you make a box, you have things that are in it, and it lays flat. So I'm super excited to play with this. What I really liked about this was not only all the flowers and the sun and the cloud and all of that, but you've got a ladybug, a butterfly, another ladybug, and a bumblebee, and a gate or a fence, a white picket fence. So there's a lot that can be done with this card. So I'm super, super excited. Now, Stamps of Life, if you look at a card and go, I don't know really how to do that, or how do I best do it, you can always go back to Stephanie's YouTube or go to her website and look for ideas. So they'll have previously made cards made by their design team, as well as sometimes Stephanie's demonstrating how to use the die kit. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, Studio Calico. I've opened it, but I have not looked in. So let me see. Okay, that's that. And this is COVID, so I thought that would be really neat. It's I got vaccinated. Let's stay local. Thank you, essential workers. Are you looking up? Things are looking up. I miss my comfy pants. Stepping out of my bubble. Opening up. Pandemic life. Take care of yourself. Never taking this for granted. Making plans. Finally reunited. Missed you. COVID update. And then the band-aids with the heart and time to hug. So super, super neat. I love all the hearts. It really is going to be a fun kit to work with. So I think that's it. I mean, this is a really short unboxing, but I didn't want to make it too long. Come on back. I've got more things that I'll be sharing. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, could you please consider subscribing? We'd love to have you. Also, if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell right next to it, and that'll let you know every time a new video comes up. Also, leave a comment. Tell me, which did you like the best? What is your favorite? What would you use the most? I love it when you guys tell me. And then last but not least, thanks so much for being here. If you are newly subscribed, welcome. If you've been here for a while, so glad you're still here. Thanks, friend. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Y'all take care. God bless you. Love y'all. Bye-bye.